Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it and scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right here we should have the reset options. On the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so simply tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, tap on Reset Settings. We have to enter the pattern or PIN to confirm, and your device is asking you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings, and let's wait a second. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.